So there, beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making this cabbage recipe. It is so easy to make, to prepare. It doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, the only time that it takes is when you're shredding the cabbage, but other than that, yeah. So let's begin. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need a cabbage, of course. We're gonna have to shred this. So now I'm done with shredding my cabbage, and I wanted a finely textured pieces like this one, but you can go definitely with the size that you prefer. Next we're gonna need a carrot, sliced of course. You're gonna need a green pepper, half of it. So yeah, I'm done cutting out green peppers, but if you're the person who doesn't want to chew on the green pepper but you want the flavor of it, you can finely chop them like very tiny pieces, then they'll just get lost in the cabbage. We're gonna need our everywhere you go, the onion, and we're gonna dice it as well. So yeah, I have done cutting our onions, and of course it added in tears. Now what I have inside here is all option: bay leaf, garlic, and a piece of ginger. These are totally option, you don't have to add them. And then in another tin here I have my seasoning. I'm gonna go with just black pepper and simbambiri, but of course you can use any seasoning you prefer. And of course we're gonna need salt and cooking oil. Yeah, we're also going to need tomatoes. Okay, so onto our pan, we're gonna add in oil. You can add in as much as you prefer. So yeah, next to that we're gonna add the onion, the garlic, and the ginger at the same time. Now that they're all translucent and soft, I'm gonna add in the carrots and the green pepper. I'm gonna cook this for about just a minute so that it can get all mixed up with the onions and the garlic. Oh yeah, moving on, I'm gonna add in our cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna add in the cabbage. We mix everything together, and then we cover it and let it cook until it softens a little bit. Then we'll be adding in the tomatoes. So now next is I'm gonna add in the, look at those colors. I'm gonna add in the tomatoes like that. Okay. And then mix it up, and then I'm gonna add in our spices. If you want your cabbage to be like to turn red color, you can use the smoked paprika or the and also I'm gonna add in the salt. I'm gonna mix everything together, then add in our bay leaf. I'm gonna mix everything together and I cover it, let it cook. Well, by the time our tomatoes are done, our cabbages will be ready. Okay, if you want your cabbages to stay a little bit crunchy, you don't have to overcook them, but I want mine when they are really done, you know. Yeah, so this is what we have. So soft and nice. So yeah, this is our cabbage all ready to be eaten. And the reason why I put the ginger when it's not cut or sliced is because it's easier to take it out. Yeah, but if you don't mind about it, then you can also slice it like you want. And of course I'm gonna serve this with matoke and my favorite avocado and some sweet potato lumonde and my lunch is ready. I'm just gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and choose him.